I'm from Buenos Aires, Argentina. I came to the United States at the age of 19. I enrolled in Columbia University and I did my undergraduate in Columbia. And the years later, I decided to move to Philadelphia and get in the restaurant business. I worked front of the house for many years, but at one point I always wanted to cook. So at one point I decided to start cooking. It's enjoyable because I love what I do, and that is to cook and to create different recipes and different plates and different menus. I didn't have the education that everybody thought that you should have to be a chef, and that is to go to culinary school. He's this guy from, a university graduate that doesn't have anything to do with culinary and wants to start cooking. So it was difficult to prove myself to other people that I was capable of doing that. So 14 years ago, or actually 17 years ago, I used to have another restaurant in the city called Pasión, and the owners of this restaurant, which wasn't a restaurant yet, which a construction site, asked me to help him set up a Cuban restaurant. So in my spare time from the other restaurant, I spent about 2 months with them, helping do that. They started to do very well. 4 years went by, and I closed my restaurant, and the chef left, and they said, "Well, you want to come and join us again, and then we can start developing other properties." And we opened Atlantic City, then we opened Orlando, then we opened Washington, D.C. So we have 4 restaurants, and I go in between all of them. So I don't stay in one place anymore. You get tired of it. But it's exciting because you see different things, you experience different people, different cities. I travel a lot to Cuba, twice a year I go to Cuba. I just finished a new cookbook, my second cookbook, about Cuban cuisine, so things are moving along. So it's a lot of excitement.